Hello guys, today we would be seeing ASIT Education CRM, or in another word, student portal. Alright, what you all need to do is you have to go to web browser, type asiteducation.com, and this asiteducation.com is our website. Once you type it in and enter, you will be coming to the website something like this. You need to go to Student Connect in the menu, and you can see that it is gone to weekend.asiteducation.com. Two paths are there: join, where you have to put student ID, registration ID; login, where you would be logging in from second time onwards. Remember, second time onwards. So click on join and put your student ID, which starts with capital S. You would have got it from your administration people, the admin of the ASIT, or in your receipt. So put your registration ID, which starts with capital R. Remember, capital S and capital R. Click on I agree to terms and conditions. Click on join ASIT CRM. It will take you to something like this. Once you are done with this, you have to see your student details to confirm it. Make sure your student ID is same, registration ID is same, full name is there, email ID is there, and mobile number is there. Confirm and register. Click on I declare that all details above are true and correct. Click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, there are chances that based upon web browser you'll be getting different types of alert messages and pop-up. So in Google Chrome and all, you may get alert in something like this. So you are already registered. If problem persists, contact admin. So you have done the registration. In case you are coming back to the same page and you click confirm again, then you would be having the same thing again coming again and again and again. So need not panic, everything is done, you are already registered. So what you need to do, you have to go to the asiteducation.com website and Student Connect, and this time you have to log in. For logging in, you have to put student ID, just like the way you have done in join, but this time you need not put registration ID. What you have to do, you have to collect the password from the email ID where you have got the login URL, user ID, and password. Okay, this has been created by us. If you want, you can change it, you can copy it now, and you can move on to the asiteducation.com login part and paste this same thing. Click on remember me if you want to be a bit smoother from next time onwards. So you are logged into ASIT portal finally. Congratulations. And here you can see a lot of things. Now you have the grade, total jobs posted, your course information, what course you have taken, where you have taken, how many duration has been passed. In case if you need any help, there is a tooltip always available to help you out. And the most important thing now is upload your resume. Make sure you upload your updated resume because it would be seen by the interviewers, and this is the one which will be sent to each and every interviewer whenever you are applying for any job or anything. So this is a dummy doc I'm uploading, and there you can see dummy.docx is uploading. Okay, it may happen the first time you cannot see the resume file name and all those things. You will not need to refresh it. Don't worry, it has been uploaded. There is attendance part, and attendance part would be showing you how many classes, present, absent, and all those things. In case if you want to see in detail, you can click on in detail, and you can see attendance is not uploaded here right now, so there is no data available. You can go back to the dashboard and you can see your jobs applied, how many jobs you have applied for. These are the shortcuts we have given in the home page so that you can easily access these things. We know that this is the most important part. Okay, now profile completeness is as important as anything else, and make sure you complete your profile because completion of the profile is mandatory. So start with the overview, student profile overview. In case you need help, you can click on that update your profile question mark kind of tooltip is there. So start with uploading your photo first. Make sure it is passport size photograph. Please do not upload any kind of funny photo. In case if I'm doing right now, it's for dummy purpose, that's fine. But for you, it is very important because the same photo would be going to your interviewer. Now you can see I don't want to see your giraffe's photo and all those things in place of yours photo to the interviewer, definitely, right? Okay, few things are blank here, so we can click on edit and we can put the father name. Make sure you put complete name there. Put your mother tongue. It can be Telugu, it can be Tamil, it can be Hindi, it can be Malayalam, it can be anything. So nationality, make sure you put it properly and click on save. Once you click on save, you would be getting again the alert on top of your browser or maybe in middle, which says details updated successfully. You can move on to other parts now, contact details and education part and all. So education details, again, you can start with the 10th standard first. You can put your school name. The school name has to be proper so that in case verification required, they can do the verification easily. Put your state board or CBSE or ICSE, whichever board you have passed your 10th from, year of passing. Guys, these fields are mandatory, so make sure you put it properly, percentage, and click on save one more time. If you click on save, you expect the same thing and you get the same thing. Details inserted successfully. Move on to the 12th or PUC. Some people would have done the diploma and all, so you can put the details there again, 12th. So put the name of the college or school, whatever you have passed 12th from. Name of the board. It can be CBSE, it can be ICSE, it can be Karnataka board, it can be Andhra board or Telangana board, whatever. So year of passing and finally your percentage. Make sure you put the percentage properly because you will come to know very soon. You will come to know that profile completion is very mandatory. Again, we are expecting the same thing, details inserted successfully. Well, the last one is graduation, and you know that without graduation all it would be too difficult to put you for different categories and jobs and all. So name of the university. We have made sure that we have included all the universities in case if you cannot find, you can talk to the admin people. Name of the stream, and finally your passing, and the last one is your percentage or your overall percentage of your last 3-4 years, whatever you have spent in your college. Done. So education is done. In case if you have experience, you have worked for 6 months, internship and all those things, you can put your company name, your duration, like from which duration to from which date to date you have worked. Calendar here, we have made sure that you can easily find out the things. Make sure you go to the right date, click on the right date, and now we are putting the 2. So click on save. And once you click on save, it will be updated again in the profile completion. Certification, in case if you have Oracle certification, Microsoft certification, or let's say Cisco certification, you can put these details as well. So certification name, I'm putting .NET, and issuing authority is Microsoft. Issue date is mandatory because sometimes some certificates expire actually. So click on save one more time, and there you go. You would be having the details inserted successfully one more time. All right, so we can move on to the project. Now the projects would be important because interviews would be seeing it. Put your project title. Guys, make sure that you put your project, because unless you put the project, you would not get the preference over the others. Let's say you can put the tools used like C, C#, MATLAB and all. Project duration. Project description, I would recommend that you always try to put the abstract of the project. You would have seen this abstract part. I don't have to tell you, but still remember this thing, that abstract of the project is the summary of the project. So put the abstract of the project and click on save. There you go. One more time, details inserted successfully. All right, click on OK, and now we can move on to other parts. Course tracker. You can track your course, which day has been covered so far and what topic has been covered, and any other thing related to course. Attendance will give you the idea how many classes you have attended and all. Student materials will help you out a lot. Believe me, it's something which will help you out in background actually. So we have uploaded all the books required, the books we are covering. You can easily download it. You don't have to different websites to get different books. You can request your faculties to upload different books also as well. We have put the slides as well. The slides are going to help you out in preparing for the classes actually, to be more precise. If you see the slides and go to the classes, the guarantee would be that it would be very much easy for you to understand each and every topic. And then finally you have some videos as well, and these videos are really beautiful. Believe me, we have taken it from lenda.com or infiniteskills.com, and they are our partners, and these videos will help you out in a lot, and it'll take you one level further than any other student in your category. So pop-up would be showing, and you can click on play and you can see the video, and believe me, if you see the video, you are done. It's almost same thing what your trainers would be teaching you in the class. So it's better to see the video and go to the classes, or come from the classes and see the video. Then we have exams. We have two parts there, main exam and sample exam. Right now we have not, or you have not taken any exam, so there is nothing in that. Sample exams will help you out a lot in preparing for the exams and making you a bit confident for different exams. So this is sample test. You can see the instructions. You will not have to waste time when you would be taking the main exam, and you can launch the test. So you can go ahead and you can practice your exams before coming for real exams. In case if you want to see that how many times you have taken and what was the result and all, you can always see these things. It will be coming in a pop-up, and you can see how many attempts you have taken and other things. Then we have the placement part, the most important part, what everybody looks for. And in the placement part, we have put first AMCAT job openings. AMCAT job openings, we are partners of AMCAT actually, and they have posted in our website all the jobs available for you people. So you can apply for any job. It doesn't matter until unless you are eligible for that. So you can apply for any job, and then you can move to current job openings, which has been posted by us actually. So you can see total 178 jobs have been posted, and out of that active are 10, expired are 168. So developer job, support engineer job, PHP web developer job, all the jobs are available. In right hand side we have put the candidate details who have been selected recently, and they are the one which are going to be your actually mentors in future. So if you apply on any, if you click on any job, it may happen that you get something message like this. Need not worry, maybe you would not be eligible for that job, that's why it would be coming, but rest of the jobs would be available for you and you can apply for them. You can see your applied jobs here. Right now you have not applied for any jobs, so there is no data. And the finally call letters received, here also we do not have any data because we have not applied for any job and we have not got any call so far. So then we have interview questions in that technical and aptitude. This is the technical one where you can prepare for the technical questions. We would be having all the questions available here what generally they ask in interviews. So for example, let's say core Java is having all the questions. Right now we have uploaded for dummy purpose only 4 questions, but you will be getting almost more than 500 questions here available. I would recommend that you try to answer the questions by yourself, but in case if you're not being able to answer, we are there to help you out, and you can click on answer and you can see the answers. Fine. The important part is aptitude as well, so aptitude also you can see. Then we have course completion certificate. In case you have completed your course, you can collect it from here. Miscellaneous will be holding the director's message. Director's message will always help you out in understanding what we think and what is our vision and mission and all. So it will be giving you confidence. You can see the code of conduct. I would always recommend, or I would suggest you please go ahead and read these things. Escalation metrics, in case if you're falling in a problem and you need help from someone and your problems are not being solved by someone, you can always go to the higher authority and you can complain or you can talk to them. Terms and conditions, you already have clicked it first time when you logged in or joined in first time. Make sure you read each and everything so that you would not have any doubt. You have payment breakup part also available here, what we have taken for which particular purpose, and you can produce these things in case of reimbursing and all those stuff. In case if you have any feedback, we are always will welcome that kind of attitude from your side. You can put the feedback. You can improve our services just by giving some filling some minor forms and all, and we will help you out. And complaint is again important. If you have any complaint, you can go to the grievances and you can do that. Fine. So in case if you have to change the password, you can go to the settings part and you can put the old password, the one you have got from the mail, and new password and confirm password. And you can log out and log in again and again whenever you want. And that's it.